Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Today's video was supposed to be an unboxing, and instead it is a disappointing reveal that is going to be shipped back this afternoon. I very rarely share things like this on my channel, but the time that I did with my Chanel Mini, I had an overwhelming response of people saying, please share when something comes in defective or messed up, don't just share the good. The reason I don't usually share things like this is because I do not unbox for content. So I always felt like it was, I don't know, like showing you something that I'm not keeping. But since I got those responses, this is the first item I have gotten that I'm really not happy with. So I wanted to share that with you. And so I'm going to go over a little bit of that. And I'm trying to wear my J12 today. And I did not think when you lost weight you would lose it in your wrist. It's driving me crazy. I need to get this in and get it sized. Has nothing to do with the video whatsoever. The bag I picked up is the Saint Laurent Lou camera bag. And it's in this gorgeous navy. And it's kind of got like a bronzy gold hardware, which I think works really, really well with the bag because it keeps it from being too dressy. So if you follow me on Instagram, I had a post up a couple days ago that said a bag would be going for sale the next day. And it was this one because it's also a camera bag, and I would have had 3 camera style bags and I didn't want 3. And I thought this is a little bit more dressier. It's navy, which is a color, which I was excited about getting that. And yeah, so I was like, I've sold 1 bag this whole year. Like in 15 months, I've sold 1 bag. So this was going to be number 2, but no, I'm keeping it. So let me show you what was wrong with this bag. I've seen a lot of unboxings. This strap was not wrapped in any kind of, like the foam, you know how they'll do that. There was nothing on the tassel pull for the zipper. Do you see how that is? I am not making it do that. It is in a smile and it will not straighten out. I have tried. I've been playing with it because I was like still thinking, oh, I might keep it, but no, it's going back. So there was that. The actual bag itself has one, and I'll probably have to insert a picture. I doubt if my camera can pick it up. There's a definitely little pin-sized dent there. I doubt if that will show, but I will put in a picture of that. And I do want to say, this is not a rant video. I am not angry. It's just a handbag. It's not important. But I just, when you spend this kind of money, you expect a certain level of quality. You expect it to be correct. You're excited for it to come. So I just wanted to share my experience, but I'm not mad. It came with a prepaid return label. I just have to drive it over to UPS, so no biggie. I tried it, didn't work. But I got to thinking about this little dot here, and I'm like, yeah, I could live with that. That's really not a big deal. I mean, but then it made me think about the rest of this leather. It's very smooth, and I don't know if it will mark up easily or how it will wear. I also have no idea how YSL's customer service is. I only own 1 piece, and it is a small card holder. So this is my 3rd try with them. The first bag I purchased from them, there was nothing wrong with it. I will insert a picture. Is the envelope bag in the medium size. I think it's a beautiful bag. It was heavier than my jumbo. I mean, it was heavy, so that went back. And I got that one on sale. The second one I also got on sale, and it is the small Lulu. And that one, the chevrons were all whacked, like the puffs were all wacky, and it was just, no, it was not good. So then I had some hesitations also about purchasing this one for full price when they go on sale, and this is a seasonal color, so like in a couple of months is it gonna go on sale? I'm like, well, it doesn't matter, But here was this is really why I'm returning it. This is the main reason. The tassel. It came not wrapped in anything, completely warped. And I again tried, just rubbing it with my hand to see if it would straighten out, but just like the zipper pull, no. And I'm like, okay, if I got this on sale with these couple of flaws, I might keep it, maybe, well, probably not. This irritates me. This really irritates me. but I didn't. I paid full price. So yeah, I was just kind of disappointed in just the whole thing. But the rest of the bag, I mean, it's a gorgeous bag. It's absolutely beautiful. The one I was going to sell, which I am 100% keeping now, I was going to sell my black Brie Gucci-Sima. And because I have so many black bags, if you follow me, you know I am the queen of black. I love black, but it's just not worth it. This leather is better. I've had this bag for years. There's not a mark on it. It looks the same. If you will stuff your Gucci bags or your camera bags, they will not sag. When I see like really saggy disco bags, it's the owner's fault. It's not Gucci's fault. So yeah, this was the one I was gonna let go to keep the navy one. And this is absolutely hilarious. And if you own this bag, please do not be offended. My daughters were over yesterday. We were doing some wedding planning and the bag arrived while they were here. And I tried both on crossbody. I hadn't noticed the flaws yet. I hadn't even pulled out the tassel. The tassel was just thrown down in the dust bag. It was not attached, anything. So I came out and one daughter said, yeah, it's really, really pretty. The other daughter said, no, I like that one. I'm like, what's wrong with this one? She goes, it looks like a flotation device, Mom. I'm sorry, that cracked me up. I do not think it looks like a flotation device. I think it's gorgeous. I really do think it's beautiful. But for full price, it should have come correct. So I want to show you my Gucci disco bag. And this one was replaced for me on around my birthday. My other one was 2 years old. And if you look on my Instagram, it looked exactly like this. So I want you to see how I have that stored. And notice what is on the tassel. And that is the little paper that comes with it. And my tassels on my last one always looked perfect too. They're not warped, they're, you know, and it was 2 years old. So here's brand new out of the box, weird looking tassels. And here's, well, it's now what? A few months old, not that old, but I mean, but my 2-year-old one, if you look at pictures online, the tassels are straight, perfect, not warped. My bag was straight, perfect, not warped. Not that I've seen these warped, but that is a lot of things that people say about this bag. If you stuff it and you can see it's stuffed, just like this one is, it will stay nicer, longer. So before I noticed the flaws, and I was looking at this one, and, you know, kind of debating between the two, this looks like it's a lot bigger, and it is actually bigger, but the same amount of things that I could fit in here with a little bit more room. I don't know why, but I was looking these up on the secondhand market to kind of get an idea of what to price it at. These go for a lot, way more than these do. These go for up to $1,500, whereas these sell for about $100 less than retail. So I was like, that's interesting, and there must be a reason why for that. I mean, I would think, and I think it's just the quality. You have the double reinforced leather on all the four corners on this bag, and this one has just a very simple tassel pull. And when I was watching reviews on this one, most people that own it took this off because it slides all over the place. And I'm not sure if that would bother me or not because I didn't wear the bag. I tried it on. It was comfortable. The strap was comfortable. It is completely adjustable. Let me share the, oh, there's no number on the ticket, so that's not going to help you. It's just like a barcode. So, but anyways, it's the Lou camera bag. But let me show you the inside. Let me unstuff it just in case you're curious about it, because there's not a ton of videos on this. But another thing that I did not like about this versus my Gucci is it is a giant black hole inside. And there is a slit compartment in the back. And I did not open the little card that came with it since I know I'm sending that back. I didn't want to mess with that because I'm sure they will send this out to somebody else. So that's how luxury bag people work. Somebody's not happy with it, somebody else will take it, or it'll make it to the sale. I don't know, but yeah, I don't know. I just have not had good luck with St. Laurent. I do think the brand is has some really pretty things. This is actually my favorite in the line of all of their bags. I like this one the most. A lot of them, their chains are too heavy and clunky. I've tried them on the store and they're just too weighty for me. And let me show you the inside of this one so you know what I'm talking about. And again, it's all stuffed. Always keep them stuffed, all of your bags. But see, it's an ivory canvas, which I love. And this one also has built-in credit card slots, so you don't have to carry a wallet with it, which makes it even better. So I almost made a really huge mistake by letting a fabulous bag go. And my girlfriend's like, don't list it until the one comes tomorrow. And I'm so glad she did, because yeah, no, it's just not. But I mean, look at the smile. That's just not, no, that's not acceptable. Somebody told me that that was totally fine. And I'm like, well, if you think it is, then, you know, it is for you. But for me, for full price, that is not fine. I'm not happy with that. So anyways, that was my experience. And yeah, it's going back and I'm not selling. So I hope this was helpful. So many people have been messaging me lately that they have been getting very expensive luxury handbags with big like dings in them and scratches and marks. And it seems to be happening mostly with people like me who have to order online. There is no way to buy YSL here. There's not a store in the city. So if I want something, I'm gonna have to order from somebody online and I don't get to see it. So, and the people that have been messaging me, similar situations, like there's just not one where you're at, so you buy it online. And I don't know, I'm kind of like at purse peace right now. I think I'm gonna chill out for a little while, enjoy what I have, and you know, really, I really want quality over, you know, just, I don't know, I want quality. I really do. Don't we all for this kind of money, right? But anyways, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, I'm not angry, I'm not mad. So far their customer service is amazing. I mean, the label was in the box. I didn't have to call anybody. I just had to go online and click that I was sending it back so that they knew it was coming back and they could track it. So that was, you know, really good. Would I consider one of these again in the future? On sale, I might, maybe, but not full price. No, never again, no. Brands that go on sale, I tend to not purchase full price. So anyways, so that's it. Have a wonderful Saturday. I hope to talk to you again very soon. And if you have not done so already and you like these kind of videos, I would love it if you take that time to hit that subscribe button down below and a thumbs up. Take care. Bye-bye.